Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Google Sign-In on Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser window is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, which is the menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three lines to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you into the main settings area where you can customize how Brave operates and handles your browsing experience. Once you're inside the settings page, look over at the left panel. This is where all the major settings categories are organized for easy navigation. From this panel, click on Privacy and Security. This section is essential because it controls how Brave manages your data, permissions, and security features across all the websites you visit. Within the Privacy and Security section, you'll see an option called Site and Shield Settings. Click on it to proceed. This area lets you manage specific permissions and settings for how sites interact with your browser, giving you more control over your online experience. Now click on Additional Permissions. This section contains more advanced permission settings that aren't immediately visible in the main menu. These permissions allow you to fine-tune specific features and behaviors for different websites and services. Next, click on Google Sign-In. This option controls whether websites can prompt you to sign in using your Google account through legacy methods that involve third-party cookies. This setting is important if you frequently use Google services or if you prefer to avoid automatic sign-in prompts across different sites. At this point, you have two choices depending on what you want to achieve. If you want to enable Google Sign-In, click on Sites can ask to use legacy Google Sign-In via third-party cookies. Selecting this option means that websites will be allowed to request access to your Google account for sign-in purposes, making it easier to log into services that support Google authentication. On the other hand, if you want to disable Google Sign-In, click on Don't allow legacy Google Sign-In via third-party cookies. This option prevents websites from asking you to sign in using Google, which can be useful if you're concerned about privacy or if you want to avoid third-party cookie tracking. And that's it. You've now successfully configured Google Sign-In settings on your Brave browser according to your preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.